In this question, we want to take the limit as x goes to 26 of the expression shown. And we see that if we substitute an x value of 26 into that expression, we get the indeterminate form of 0 over 0. So we're going to try to rationalize the numerator and rationalize the denominator. In this situation, most people consider rationalizing the denominator to be relatively straightforward. We are going to multiply it by the square root of x minus 22 plus 2. But when you multiply the denominator by a new factor, you have to multiply the numerator by that factor as well. Then we're going to rationalize the numerator. And sometimes people make the mistake of multiplying by the cube root of x plus 1 plus 3. But it doesn't work that way because this is a difference of cubes. So instead, we're going to have to use the difference of cubes philosophy, or the principles. And what we have is that a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we're going to let a be the cube root of x plus 1, and we're going to let b equal 3. Well, that means a squared is going to equal x plus 1 to the 2/3, ab is going to equal 3 times x plus 1 to the 1/3, and b squared is going to equal 9. So we're going to introduce a factor of x plus 1 to the 2/3 plus 3 times x plus 1 to the 1/3 plus 9 to the numerator to complete the difference of cubes, but also introduce it to the denominator to be fair. Now, when you multiply the cube root of x plus 1 times x plus 1 to the 2/3, you get x plus 1. X plus 1 to the 1/3 times 3x plus 1 to the 1/3 is 3x plus 1 to the 2/3, plus 9x plus 1 to the 1/3, minus 3x plus 1 to the 2/3, minus 9x plus 1 to the 1/3, they've all canceled out, minus 27. So we have x plus 1 minus 27 as a factor. In the denominator, the square root of x minus 22 times the square root of x minus 22 is x minus 22. The middle terms cancel out, and then we have minus 4. So what we have is x plus 1 minus 27, which simplifies to the offending factor of x minus 26, and x minus 22 minus 4, which also simplifies to the offending factor of x minus 26. Crossing those out leaves this expression over this expression. And we can safely substitute in the x value of 26 and not get an indeterminate form in that case. And what we get is an ultimate answer of 4 over 27.